Hi, I'm Adam Drake from Mugen Seiki Racing. Today I want to talk about a couple new part numbers or products that we have from Mugen Racing. They are two kits that are intended to refresh your MBX8 buggy or your MBX8T truck. Now, these kits will be available to where you can refresh either nitro or electric. And the intent of these kits is to basically give you all in one set kind of the high stress or high wear parts, plastic parts on the vehicle. So you can place an order one part number, and basically go through and refresh or replace those plastic parts. So the truck kit, the part number is M1016, and the buggy kit is part number M1018. And both kits come with the same parts. So I'm gonna just kind of point out, go over the parts on my buggy here, but it's basically the same parts that come in the truck kit. And then I'll also show at the end some pictures of the kits to where you kind of get an idea exactly of everything that comes in the kit. So we'll start with the front uprights. The inline uprights are what come in the kit because that's the kind of the most popular. That's what we run in most conditions. And even though these are super durable, it's something that over time dust and dirt can get in there, and when it does, it'll kind of scratch or gall the pillow ball. So it's nice to be able to replace those from time to time. You also get the new a new set of the caps that capture the pillow ball when you get the front uprights. Next part would be upper front arms. Again, a part that's super durable, but over time, you can kind of get a little bit of slop in the upper front arm, and it's just nice to kind of start the race season with your car kind of tightened up and fresh, ready to hit the track. Next will be the lower front arms, and also included with that is, for the buggy, we use the 1.0 millimeter carbon aluminum arm stiffeners, and then the truck comes with the 1.2 carbon front arm stiffeners. Onto the rear of the vehicle, it comes with new rear lower arms, and then again for the buggy it comes with the carbon 1 millimeter arm stiffeners, and for the truck kit it'll come with the 1.2 carbon stiffeners. So this is just a really cool kit that maybe you're new to Mugen, you bought a new kit and you're kind of wondering like, man, what parts do I need to have just in case I get in a bad accident or a bad crash, and you want to have some spares in your box. This allows you to basically just order one part number and you kind of get the high stress parts, again, for buggy or for truck, nitro or electric. And these are available now through mugenracing.com, and they will also be available through many of the popular retailers.